white dog that lived with it. Veterinarian George Birch will take a look at the one Murphy is most concerned about.
So basically, this is what a chronic skin condition is looking like. You can see the hair loss, thickening of the skin, get this dark, thickened skin, all this oozing, crusting, what you hear, the face. The Hemodexic mange has a preference for the eyes, the ears, also the neck and the elbows. So this is probably the Hemodexic mange, but it's been going on for a while. This dog is really emaciated, it's depressed, and the skin is just looking terrible. For a condition like this, you know, that any kind of owner would notice something is wrong. We see dogs that looks much better than this one, but just the owners are not sure, and they come to us and they ask, you know, what's going on, can we do something? But when it's gone on this long, and I mean this is months, then obviously the owner doesn't care. So an animal like this, unfortunately, needs to be put to sleep. We can't find a for a dog like this.
The little white dog appears healthy.